Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you a topic that will actually help you to stop entering market in a wrong season or wrong direction, because most time you actually enter the market at the wrong time and then it will just go in a counter direction or against you and then start going in your direction, but then you have lost your risk, you have lost your money. Okay, this video, if you watch to the end, you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, so the topic is moving average characteristics analysis in Forex synthetic market. You see that some people neglect indicators as if they cause problem. Yes, they do cause problem because they are lagging elements. They lag behind price. While price move at faster acceleration, the indicator actually move at a slower acceleration, and therefore they are out of phase. So that's why some traders don't actually make use of indicator. But indicator like moving average is the metaphysical element in trading because it helps to filter errors, human errors during analysis. Because no matter how powerful you are in terms of analytical ability, you tend to have some errors. You know, there is error in every measurement due to limitation of human being or limitation of whatsoever you want to use to do the measurement. In this case, the moving average is actually lagging, and so there is limitation in human measurement. Because of this, the moving average, which is lagging, has a secret of eliminating the error, which a lot of traders actually don't know. Yes, the indicator come with lagging errors, but that error is going to be used to filter human error, which normally lead to further losses. The error from indicator can lead to losses, but they can be used to filter human error. So the aim is not to filter the indicator error. The aim is to filter the human error, which is inherent in every analysis. Whether you are trading for short term or long term, you are going to be prone to these errors, and it is indicator that is going to allow you to be free from these errors. Okay, the indicator is moving average. That's what you are going to be using to explain this topic. Now, there are two major let me call it the major subject matter in this topic. Number one is moving average, number two is characteristic. Okay, now what is moving average, and then what is characteristics? Okay, now I have been using this word characteristic in several topics in this channel. Characteristics means when you plot a graph of an action, the shape of that graph, the information you can deduce from that graph constitute the characteristic of that graph. They include the slope of the slope of that action, the minimum and the maximum or the critical points of that action, the frequency of that action. Okay, the shape of the graph. Okay, the areas and the volume bounded by or due to that graph, they constitute the characteristics. Okay, So right now, I'm going to chart to show you how this can elevate you as a trader. Using 3 moving averages for this analysis. So if you go to the indicator section, which is this sine wave, you see I have placed the 3 moving averages. I've placed the 3 moving averages. One is moving average 50, the other is moving average 100, and the other is moving average 200, and all of them have these settings, and they are just that's set to exponential. Make sure you set them to exponential because that's the best. That's set to exponential. Okay, so other parameters are the way they are. You have to look at the colors. They have different colors. Okay, so you see the red is moving average 50. Let's go again. The red is moving average 50, the blue is moving average 100, and the black is moving average 200. Okay, now the 1 minute characteristic is one of the biggest source of error, you know, in technical analysis. Like how the 1 minute moving average loop reacts to price matters a lot. No matter what you know about that market, it matters a lot. So you can actually run the characteristics of other time frame based on the moving average. Like you can get the moving average characteristics in other time frame, but the 1 minute time frame, make sure you do not forget it. That can make you, if your winning rate is around 50%, it can make your winning rate to go down to 5%. Just that negligence. Okay, now if you check this, assuming that the higher time frame tells you that this market is buying, and you suddenly go to 1 minute time frame and you notice something like this. Okay, let me go back and make sure that the red is activated. Let me go and make sure. So let's put it at exponential. Okay, it's now activated. So if you notice that the characteristics of the EMA loop in the 1 minute time frame, I'm going to discuss other time frame, but this 1 minute time frame is the major source of losses. Okay, if you notice that the characteristic is against your signal, is against your belief, is against your focus, is against your reaction, then what you need to do is to wait for that moving average to align. No matter what the price action is telling you, there are errors that your price action, your analysis cannot be able to see, but the moving average can see it at metaphysical level. Okay, so right now when you see this, you are looking for buy, but you see that the price action is below the moving average loop, then you stop that buy. Imagine you wanted to buy here. Let's say you want to buy here, but this is the characteristics of the EMA loop. It is enveloping the price from the upside. So what you do is to stop that buying. Two things: either you follow the current characteristics of the moving average, which is not good if your price action is against it, but if your price action supports it, then you are having resonance. There is a resonance and you are going to make much profit. I'm going to show you what I mean by resonance. Look at what I mean by resonance. Assuming that your price action tells you to buy and you see this type of EMA loop characteristics, then you are going to buy, because the price action is trading. The slope of the price action and the slope of the EMA are the same. The EMA loop is sloping positive and price action is sloping positive. That is resonance, and that is the right time to buy. Okay, if you are looking for buy. Then if you are looking for sell and the price action tells you to sell, and then the EMA loop is having this type of slope, which is a negative slope, you are going to make resonant profits. You are going to, like, the market is going to give you instant profit with little or no drawdown, with zero or no drawdown. That is the advantage of this analysis. But when they are giving you divergence characteristics, when they are opposing each other, the price action and the moving average are opposing each other in the 1 minute time frame, then that trade is not going to work. You are going to lose money because of that. For other time frame, like higher time frame other than 1 minute time frame, it is still the same stuff. Okay, it is still the same stuff. If we go to 5 minutes time frame and your analysis is telling you to sell, but you notice that on average the price action is starting above this loop, why should you sell? You shouldn't sell. The only place you should have sold as a smart trader is to sell within this period of time. Okay, that was between October, this is 10, I think October is 10, this is 22 October, and then the sale ended the 24 October. Okay, so these are the characteristics. You need to understand the characteristics. Then if we step up to 30 minutes time frame and then your price action told you to buy this market, you run away. Why should you buy? You see, your 3D dimension cannot allow you to see what is happening in this market, but with moving average you will be optimized to 4th and 5th dimension, and you'll be able to see the invisible that is happening in this market, and then you will come to your senses that this market is really selling than buying. Okay, so you can't buy, you should look for sell opportunity, okay, which you can deploy high level technical analysis to get your sell entry. Okay, so that's cool. But if you are battling with entries, even though you know what you are doing, but you just enter this market here, you enter the sell here, and then the market went up and hit your stop loss and then sell again. If you are battling with this type of problem, you have to subscribe to our VIP so that you stop losing, because we already have the skill set, and we have optimized trading system that have been deployed by our team. I'm delayed in the VIP groups and channels so that people will make use of it. You consume it and then succeed. You have to be a consumer at starting point, and then you can now use the energy to reinvest in what you wish to be in life. Now, what I mean is, if you are trying to succeed in something and it's not working, then leverage the effort of the successful entities. And that's all. Thank you and bye for now.